Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be a video on how to make popsicles. Step 1, gather your materials. You'll need a freezer, a knife, a blender, a cup, a popsicle stick or popsicle molds, and whatever fruit or vegetable you'd like to use. Step 2, prepare your fruit. You will remove your stems, skin, and wash your fruit. And then once you do that, you'll get it in the blender. Step 3, pour a half cup of water into the blender. Step 4, blend to your desired consistency. Step 5, pour your blend into molds. If you do not have a mold, you can use a plastic cup and add a popsicle stick. Step 6, leave in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours. Step 7, take out of freezer. For an easy remove, warm the outside of the container with hot water. Step 8, enjoy! Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. I hope you enjoyed our summertime popsicle activity.